Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Kate here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your GetCity Bank online account. But before starting our video, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon so that you will get notified for the next time we upload our tutorials. Now let's get into the video. First of all, on your desktop, open any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL, search for getcity.bank. Once you press enter, that will directly lead you to the official page of GetCity Bank. In order to sign up for GetCity Bank, click on login option at the upper right corner of your screen. And then a menu will pop up where you can enter your user ID and password and simply click on go, and then you will be logged into your GetCity online account. But in order to sign up, click on the link that says sign up. And in here, you will be loaded for the enrollment process. Here, enter your first name, your middle name, and then your last name. Scroll down and then provide your social security number here and provide your date of birth. If you have your foreign address, check on the option that says foreign address and then provide your address and type in your city where you live in. After that, select a state and in here provide zip code. After that, select your account type or account number and then provide your phone number and then your email address. Once you're done filling this form, simply click on submit and then you will be registered to GetCity Bank. So this is how you can simply create a GetCity Bank online account. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.